How dare you bring such a damaged thing for repair? If this were in our country, the repair shop owner would have kicked you out long ago. Fortunately, this is Pakistan, a place where everything can be fixed. The Pakistani mechanic assured me that this is a minor issue and can be repaired for just 2,000 rupees with a 6-month warranty. For torn surfaces like this, blue definitely won't work because the brake is shattered. Direct welding won't provide the necessary strength either. However, the mechanic already had a repair plan in mind. He just needs to embed this round piece into the damaged hub and use a steel tube as a connector to combine them. Once the repair plan is confirmed, the mechanic first secures the hub in the laid chuck. To ensure the repaired hub aligns accurately, he uses a sliding needle to find the center point. After positioning the center, the mechanic smooths the torn surface of the hub. He is especially careful to avoid the areas near the brake during cutting. Next, he uses a fine tuning knife to precisely cut the inside of the hole to match the outer diameter of the round piece. Since the hub material isn't suitable for direct welding, this repair mainly relies on threading. The mechanic also uses welding rods to weld the parts into one unit. Although welding inside the hole is challenging, it's a minor task for an expert mechanic. This process is completed quickly. The steel rod is then threaded into the axle head, and the mechanic uses welding rods to fully weld the seams. After welding, a turning tool is used to smooth out any protruding weld slag, ensuring the joint is flush and smooth. Since the hub already has machine threads for assembly, the outer diameter of the round piece must be turned to match precisely. Once the size matches the pre-drilled hole in the hub, the corresponding threads can be machined onto the piece. Using all threaded connections is the ultimate test of the mechanic's skills. After completing the thread cutting, the mechanic fits the axle head into the hub for a preliminary check. Once everything is confirmed to be correct, the mechanic begins the welding process. After the welding is done, the weld slag protruding from the hub's end face needs to be turned down as it would interfere with the installation of the wheel reducer. The mechanic carefully machines the weld to ensure a smooth, flat surface that matches the original factory specifications perfectly. To give the repaired hub a refreshed look, the mechanic applies a layer of anti-rust paint, adding an extra layer of protection. Through this series of meticulous operations, the welded part in the hub blend perfectly, showing no signs of repair. If the maximum score is 10, how many points do you think the mechanic's skills deserve?